Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Windows search indexing showing missing file. So how to fix? So first guys, click to start and type run. Open this and type this command control name Microsoft.indexing and then click to OK. Okay, and after that click to advance and then click to build. Okay, and then close it. So after that you can see in the indexing is start. Okay, and then close. So it will work on the background. Next, restart Windows search service. So click to start and type services.msc. Right click to run as administrator. And after that, find out the Windows, press W and find out search. So this is Windows search. Just double click, select automatic and then apply and OK. Then select again Windows search and then click to restart and then close it. Next, repair search using PowerShell. So click to start and type. This is actually advanced method. Okay, so that's time right click to PowerShell and run as administrator. Then click to yes and just get service v search type and then hit enter. Okay, so it is accepted and then close it. Then guys, very important, repair corrupted Windows file. So click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator, then click yes for access. So first type sfc scan now. Okay, and then hit enter. So it will start the percentage. So this command use of most of your Windows file corrupt. Okay, so it will recover and restore. So I have two commands. So first it will scan, okay, your corrupted file, and second one, which is you can restore the corrupted file. Okay, now you can see this one. So after it's completed, then need to enter this one. Okay, so then it is completed. Then just type it, otherwise you can type the manually, if not copy paste like this and then hit enter. So same, it will start now. This is part of the restore, this command for restore health. And same, sometime what happen, you are click nearby and other window, so it will stop it. So you have to just select this and enter. So like this it will start, and when it is completed 100%, then restart your system. Thank you. If anything, please comment me, I will support you.